Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on the second episode of Cheap and Healthy. Today I wanted to show you a smoothie recipe that was inspired by a Starbucks drink that I had not too long ago, and they had actually put together chocolate and orange and it was so good. But I wanted a version that was obviously a bit cheaper than a typical Starbucks drink and a lot healthier. So I put this smoothie recipe together and let's take a look at the ingredients. First, we have 1 to 2 scoops of this protein powder. This is chocolate vegan protein powder. If you can see the brand on here, I'm not actually affiliated with them. I just got this off of Amazon because it was actually quite cheap compared to most protein powders. And I also got it because it has a ton of iron in it, which is always nice when you can get a little bit more iron in. Next, a third to a half cup of either kefir or yogurt. 1 cup's worth of almond milk. 1 to 2 oranges, depending on the size. So these are small oranges, so I'm going to use 2. 1 banana, and 1 to 2 handfuls of spinach leaves. I prefer to lean towards 2 because the more greens you can get, kind of the better. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this now. Okay, so this is the final product. Don't let the color, turn you off, because it is maybe a little bit green, a little bit greener than some people would like, but I'm sure it will taste amazing, so. Oh yeah, that's good. That's plenty sweet. That's good. This is pretty tasty. So I hope you'll give it a try, and thanks for joining me on Cheap and Healthy. Please like and subscribe because that way you'll be notified whenever I put out a new video. Bye!